Hey, y'all, it's your girl Monique Dior, and I'm back with another video. Y'all, today we have a try-on haul from Xpluswear. Now, I know it's been a minute since I did a try-on haul, but here we are. So, y'all know how we do over here at my channel. We're going to kick into the intro, and then we will be right back. To do different backgrounds, different aesthetics, things of that nature. So yes, I am doing this from my bedroom. I tried to do it in my closet, didn't look right, didn't like the feel, blah. Whatever, we're here. So since we're here, we're going to get into these dresses. Now, I have 3 dresses from Xpluswear. Let me show y'all the dresses that we have. So, we have this lovely burgundy number. And no, this is not, it don't come like this. This is the belt that goes with it. But y'all, I'm not sure if the belt go with this or if I dropped it from another outfit. I don't know. We're going to figure it out and we're going to get it together. And then we have this short black lace number. It's giving fun. It's giving fun. And then we have this black pantsuit with the extraness, y'all. And y'all know I like a little extra. So we are going to start with this black short number first. So out of all the dresses, this is my favorite one. As you can see, it has lace at the top. It's lace right here in the midsection. And then it has the mini ruffles at the bottom. And it is layered, so you don't have to worry about it being thin. Trying to find the middle. Where are you? And then under the ruffle, the 2 ruffle layer lace, it has this piece of fabric. It's thick. Well, not thick, but you can still see through it, but it's so it layered, so you can, see what I'm saying? Am I making sense to y'all? I don't know. It makes sense in my head, but when I said it out loud, it didn't make sense. But it is what it is. It has a zipper going down the back, all the way down. It don't have a belt or anything. This little, this part don't come off. It looks like a belt, but it's not a belt. So let me get into it, y'all, and show y'all what this looks like on me. But y'all, before I get into it, I'm gonna show y'all my Shapeflex that I got on. So I did the shorts for the Shapeflex videos. Y'all can check those out on all my social medias, especially on my TikTok. Go and check out the product. And I'm about to show y'all what it looks like. No, yes, I have on clothes under here. No, I'm not getting naked for fun. I have on my shapewear, okay? So I'm about to show y'all my shapewear. So as you can see, it has the butt lifting component in the back. It has the zipper right here and the clasp. So, and it has the straps, but the good thing about it is these straps are adjustable and they are removable. But quick little plug for Shapeflex. It's gonna hold me together in these dresses. Just a quick little plug inside of the Xpluswear try-on haul, okay? So if y'all need any information about Shapeflex, y'all holler at me. I can give y'all my discount code and all. I can tell you exactly the one I got on. Okay? Alright. So let's get into this dress. Slipped it on real easy. No struggles. Okay. It's shorter than I thought. Help. Y'all, okay, let's have a little moment. Y'all, I love when you have clothes and they be so cute and then you gotta try and be a contortionist to zip the back of the dress up. It's like, who's supposed to help me? I think I need to buy one of them automatic dress zipper things, or the thing that help you zip your dress, because it's like, dang, I can't go outside with it not zipped. Now I'm trying to zip it and I'm struggling. So look. The struggle is real. So it's not that the dress is tight or anything. It's just that, y'all, I can't zip it. I seriously. Somebody send help. Okay, let me get my life together, y'all. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Y'all, I literally had to get help to get in my dress. It got stuck on the band. But as you can see, it goes all the way down to your wrist. Slide on the arms. It's cute. Like I said, it has the lace top. As you can see, there is nothing up here. So the color bra you wear matters. Oh, it does. Okay, wait. It does have a little black little piece right here. Okay, I thought it was my bra. Okay, but I do have on black undergarments up under my dress so that everything looks cohesive. Okay, so this zipper goes all the way up to the top. There's no latch at the bottom. But y'all, this zipper goes all the way down to right here. Like where my hand is where the zipper is. It's a cute little fun cocktail dress. I'm gonna step back a little bit more. Oh, that is a wall. So y'all can see. It stops like right here above my knee. So if you're going to like a day party or a cocktail party or something like that, you might want to put on some shorts. But see, I have on my shapeless undergarment, so you can't tell. It all looks like one. So this is this cute little fun number that you can spin around. You can wear this with any color heel, you know, dress it up, throw in a little jewelry. You don't need too much jewelry because this has the little lace neckline. But yeah, something really cute, really fun. Oh, this would be cute for date night. Too bad I ain't got no date night, but this would be cute for a date night event. All right, so let's get into the next dress. All right, y'all, that was that dress. Had to get out of it. Had to get help. Next, we are gonna do this burgundy dress. And like I said, y'all, I don't know if this belt goes with the dress or if it went with my other dress. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure this out together. Oh, Jesus. This dress is a high-low dress. Oh, I ain't gotta zip it. Oh, thank you, Lord. Okay, so I can simply put this one over my head. Okay, so this is a, let's see how this looks. So, okay, y'all, like I said, this is a high-low dress. It's high. It stops like right above my knee. And in the back, it goes all the way down to the back. I know y'all probably can't really see it. It gives like the ruffle look in the front. Again, we have a lace arm. Y'all can wear this to the Christmas party. Got a nice little neckline, show a little bust, but not too much. So like I said, y'all, I don't know if this goes with these. I think it does. I have to go back and look at the picture. It has a bow right here in front. Add a little extra to it. And you can just spin and twirl and spin and twirl and twirl and spin. What's the little emoji where the lady, she like this, she dares it. That's what this dress gives. But it's okay. I like it. I think I liked it more on the picture because it had more ruffle and more, it was more robust in the picture. But y'all know pictures ain't always what it is. So here we are. It's a cute dress. You can wear it to cocktail hour. You can wear this to the Christmas party, like I said, especially with this bow right here. It gives festive, you know, a little razzle dazzle. What else? It does have like the lace filling in the back, but it is covered, so your back is not out. And like I said, y'all, it don't have a zipper, so you just put this one on, slip this one on right over your head, and keep it moving. Okay. All right. Let's dance off to the next dress. All right, y'all. If y'all looking for a pantsuit, this might be your vibe. Okay. So y'all know how a lot of the clothes have like the split side. One side, this side, this side, this side. That is what this jumpsuit is. Now, my favorite part, I can tell you right now about this jumpsuit, is the arms. I'm dramatic, so this big arm, I love it. It gives that energy, and I love it because that's how they showed it in the picture, and it actually does this. Like without me having to stick my arms in and hold it up like this, it actually puffs up like that. I don't know what kind of material it is or what they use to do that, but I love that for me. Okay, all right, so it has a band right here to kind of separate you and lift the girls up. It's right here around your neck, and this is something that's kind of cute. So on the neckline, it automatically has like a little split in it. Okay, so if you got a little necklace that you want to just put on, it'll fall right there. Okay, then it gives you the little, gives you a cape. Y'all know I love a cape. But the funny thing about it is it don't go all the way around. It stops in the middle right here. So, but you can still pull it out and make it an illusion that it's a full cape. So this side has the flower design. It's black. And I don't know what color that is. It's purple. I don't want to say, okay, let me take it back. It's purple. The base is purple. But I don't know if it's a black or matte black or whatever, but it's a dark flower and it's cute. So this side of the pants leg, y'all can see it's this design at the top, and then this side is all the way black, and it is like that in the front and the back. But I like it because it gives a little dramatic effect. So you know when you walk, it's gonna kind of like blow in the wind. So I like that dramatic effect about it. The pants, it's long. They go down to my ankles. Y'all see? Goes all the way down to my ankles. So no hot waters. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't even tell y'all. In all of my dresses, I got a 2X. And I always do that because, you know, you got to think about washing. And then you got to think about, you know, just having a little room. Because sometimes the clothes can run small or they can run big. So I always order a 2X just to be sure. Okay, if it's too big, okay, we'll go from there. I'd rather it be too big than it be too small. Feel me? Feel me. So this is the jumper, you guys. So I like it. But like I said at the beginning, the black little short dress was my favorite. With this, you can wear this anywhere. This is a, honestly, you can even wear this to church. If you're feeling real festive or want to do something a little extra, you can wear this to church. Why not? But still, my favorite dress is the little black one. Y'all be sure to use, when you shop, use my code Monique8. The number 8. But I mean, I did 8 all these looks. You feel me? See what I did there? Ha! Don't mind me, y'all. I just be saying stuff and be wilding. But no, seriously, use my code Monique8 to get a discount when you check out these items on Xpluswear. Y'all, I love shopping with Xpluswear. I still be wearing like the old hauls that I've done in the past for Xpluswear. I still be wearing my clothes. And the one that I'm really starting to wear more than what I said on the video is the sweatsuit. The gray sweatsuit that had the things on it. I was a little upset because it was big, but then I went back and I read the reviews and I started to wear it more and I lost weight. So now it fits different on me. So y'all, now I be sliding that thing on all the time. So y'all be sure to shop with Xpluswear. I I can't say it no more. And be sure to use my discount code. For example, my black dress that I got from them with the pearls on it. Real cute. I did the video for it, but I never had a chance to really wear it. So I wore it to Sunday. I wore it to church on Sunday, and baby, I was cute. And everybody gave me compliments on my dress, and I'm like, Xpluswear, Xpluswear. Thank you. So yes, be sure to shop Xpluswear. Thank y'all so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Be sure to tell a friend or tell 10 that Monique Dior has done it again. And until next week, y'all, be safe. Y'all, the year is running away from us. Whew. What are we gonna do? But with each day, we're gonna be grateful and we're gonna be thankful that we're still alive, okay? Because many started out, but many didn't make it. All right. I love y'all. And until next week, y'all be safe. I do not know what next week's video gonna be, so